Ever wondered how millions of Red Bull cans get from a factory to your hand? Well, buckle up because we're taking you on a high-energy journey inside the incredible world of Red Bull production. This isn't just a story about making a drink. It's a tale of precision, speed, and innovation. It all starts inside one of Red Bull's state-of-the-art factories, sprawling across acres of land and packed with cutting-edge technology. These high-tech facilities operate 24/7, churning out millions of cans every single day to meet the insatiable global demand. The process begins with the delivery of raw ingredients like caffeine, taurine, B vitamins, and sugars. These ingredients are sourced from trusted suppliers and are tested rigorously upon arrival. Quality is king in this factory, and every batch must pass stringent checks before moving forward. In the heart of the factory, massive mixing tanks, some as tall as a 3-story building, stand ready to blend the ingredients. Think of these tanks as giant cauldrons where computers orchestrate a perfectly balanced recipe. Even the slightest deviation in proportions could affect the taste or energy-boosting properties, so precision is absolutely critical. While the mixing is happening, another team focuses on the cans. Red Bull uses lightweight aluminum cans, known for their durability and 100% recyclability. These arrive at the factory as blank silver shells, but they don't stay plain for long. High-speed printing machines, some of the fastest in the world, apply the iconic Red Bull logo in vibrant colors to thousands of cans in mere minutes. These machines are so precise they can print hundreds of cans per second, ensuring each one looks perfect and recognizable. Once the drink is ready and the cans are prepped, it's time for the filling process. This is where the real action begins. The mixed drink is pumped into the cans at an astonishing speed, up to 2,000 cans per minute. Imagine the energy it takes to fill, measure, and seal each can without spilling a drop. Advanced machinery ensures that each can is filled to the exact milliliter, preserving the consistency that Red Bull is known for. Next comes the sealing process. The factory uses highly specialized equipment to press airtight lids onto the cans. This step is crucial to maintaining the carbonation and freshness of the drink. Each seal undergoes microscopic inspections to ensure it is flawless. Any defective cans are immediately removed from the line and recycled. In fact, Red Bull's commitment to sustainability ensures that nothing goes to waste. Defective cans and leftover materials are melted down and reused in future production cycles. Now that the cans are sealed, it's time for the most critical step: quality control. The factory employs a team of experts and advanced testing machines to evaluate every batch. They check everything from the taste and carbonation levels to the strength of the can itself. Did you know that Red Bull cans are designed to withstand extreme pressures? This ensures they stay intact whether they're shipped to a desert, a snowy mountain, or a bustling city. After passing the quality checks, the cans are ready for packaging. Automated machines group the cans into cases and stack them onto pallets with robotic precision. This part of the process is a visual spectacle, with rows upon rows of Red Bull forming a sea of silver and blue. Each pallet can hold thousands of cans, and the factory produces enough pallets daily to fill multiple football fields. It's truly a mind-blowing scale of production. Once packed, the pallets are moved to the distribution area. Trucks line up outside the factory, ready to transport the energy drinks to warehouses, stores, and vending machines around the globe. Some of these shipments travel thousands of miles across oceans and continents, all while maintaining the freshness and quality that Red Bull fans expect. From start to finish, the journey of a Red Bull can is a masterclass in efficiency, technology, and passion. Every step is designed to ensure that the drink you enjoy is perfect in every way. So the next time you pop open a can, take a moment to appreciate the incredible process that brought it to your hands. From the dedication of the workers to the brilliance of the technology, Red Bull truly gives you wings, in more ways than one.